I think that they have been taking a very cautious approach to the work of the Public Accounts Committee, and I think that they have been over-cautious in that regard, and that has led to them trying to micromanage the business of the Public Accounts Committee. Now, I can understand all of the legalities that are attached to the work of that committee, but there is a need for the members of that committee to engage directly with anyone that has any association with the spending of public money. That is our job. I take it seriously, and so do the other members. And if we're going to get accountability in that space, then the government should live up to their reform programme and start at the Public Accounts Committee, because what gets counted gets done. If you start there, it shows the public that you're serious about it and that you're going to question the expenditure of each and every department to the extent that they will be held to account.
But do you think there has been some level of interference and sort of attempt to sway the committee in a particular way on certain issues?
Well, of course there has, yes. That's what governments do. In opposition, some members of that government encouraged a greater role for the Public Accounts Committee. But when they got into government, they soon forgot that. Now, the same can be said, by the way, for Fianna Fáil. I'm sure in the past they asked for more powers for the Public Accounts Committee, and then when you get into government, you become institutionalised.
Yeah.
And that's not what the public want. They want to see accountability for the spending of public money, and they want to see people who spend that wrongly or inefficiently taken to account.